Hey guys, happy Monday. I know I'm not there today. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just going to go over briefly everything that we're going to be working on today. And I want to start off with hope your spring break was great. But hopefully, I'll be there tomorrow. Um, Today, you can either watch this recording and see what we're doing, or you can come on Zoom at 10 a.m. and get the atmosphere notes in the Atmosphere Digital Lab done with me. So the first thing you're going to see today is that we have our April 11th bell ringer. And what it is you're going to watch a video that I've put on there and answer the question, why do you think the atmosphere is important? The video should be embedded in there. Just making sure it loads and that it looks perfectly fine. All right, yes. So here is the atmosphere. All right, this video that I want you to watch before we actually start talking more about said atmosphere. It's about 4 minutes at most. And once again, I'm not asking you to take detailed notes on it. It's just kind of a really wonderful what if thought process. So, what if this thing that surrounds us disappears? What would happen to us? All right, so I'm going to stop right here and say if you just wanted to watch this part of the video, you are good. You can hop off and join me on the Zoom at 10 a.m. If you're like, I'm really not wanting to get on a Zoom, I just want to see what to go, please keep watching. So after you've done your daily question, you're going to come in here to the atmosphere notes. Now, the atmosphere notes are just like what we've done before. All right. You're going to work your way through it. And you can do this on your own, or you can log into the Zoom, and I'm actually going to work through it with y'all. Now, if you're choosing to not do this on the Zoom with me, I do want to go over this one slide real quick right here. When you get to slide 30, the tools that you're going to need are going to be the text box right here and the line tool right there. Okay, so those are going to be the two tools you will need to use. As a reminder to insert them, you'll click on that. You'll come and you'll drag and drop it where you need it to, and this is where you're going to be doing labeling. So you're actually going to be creating a graph that shows how the temperature changes as I go up through the atmosphere. So as you can see right here, we have negative 100 to 20 degrees. This is in degrees Celsius. I'm not looking for exact numbers. I'm looking for you to give me your best approximation. So you may end up having lines. You just click on this to create a line that maybe start here. Alrighty. That was a little bit of a weird glitchy there. But go from there to there. And then you may need to draw another line. And all you have to do is just click that line tool again. And now you can draw another line. All right. So you're going to be drawing that to show how the temperature and altitude are related. Once again, that's you're going to be doing with this as you go through and answer all the questions. The notes are not graded, so you do not have to submit the notes. I will be able to look up and see who's working on it. It's going to say in progress on my side, and I'll be able to see any things that y'all might truly be struggling with. Or you can shoot me a message and let me know, hey, I'm really struggling with XYZ. Can you help? All right, once again, I am going to have a Zoom at 10 a.m. Once you have finished the notes, you're going to run over to the Atmosphere Digital Lab. Now, the Atmosphere Digital Lab, I have condensed this since our last digital lab, because I'm not here. You're only going to have 3 sections of it. You're going to have read it, explore it, assess it. Once again, with read it, you're going to be able to read the passage. I actually do have an audio of me reading it if you so desire to have that. It will play automatically when you're in presentation mode. So I've warned you. But you'll go through and you'll read. If you need to write down the information about those vocabulary words that are listed off to the left-hand side so you can remember what they are, please do. When you finish reading it, you're going to answer 3 multiple choice questions. Then you're going to go to Explore It. Explore It has 2 parts. This first part of answers, for the first question, you're going to give me a fact about each layer of the atmosphere. So you'll tell me the layer of the atmosphere and the fact. So troposphere is what? Mesosphere has this. Stratosphere is blah. All right, you're going to tell me all of that. And then for the other 2 prompts, number 2, how do you think density plays a role in the atmosphere? What does density do? Does density do anything? All right, how has the atmosphere helped our life? This part of Explored is where you're going to get that information. Once you have done part 1, You're going to come over here to part 3, and you're going to actually drag and drop the layers where they belong. And then for assess it, we have 2 parts for this as well. We have our multiple choice section where you're going to choose the best answer. And then you're going to come here and you're going to type in the best vocab word from the word bank down here. I don't know why I keep using my fingers. Down here that makes the sentences sound the best. Once again, you're going to notice there are audio clips on the page if you do need that function. So that's what we're doing today. If after watching this brief recording, you're like, hey, I still want some help, please feel free to hop onto the Zoom. The Zoom link is right here. I provided it right there. And once again, I'll be opening it up at 10 to see if anybody wants to hop on and work through at least the notes with me. All right, have a good day, and I'll see y'all Tuesday.